is impatient and there is information that you have, that information must be passed to the police. But even if it is not passed to the police, every information that is on display, on circulation, social media, must be followed up to the latter. And that is the job of our police officers. Nobody must die in vain, and criminals ululate that the long hand of the law will not find them. Even if it is on a Christmas day, after 10 years, you must be found. And there's no case that must be closed. All cases must be opened and be followed up. You know, when I arrived here in the police, which is less than a year, in April I will be celebrating, if I'll still be around, I'll be celebrating 1 year as a minister of police. Yeah, you never know. These reshuffles happened at night. So, you never know. But it will be a year. First time when I arrived here, I asked the police about Senzo and I asked about Botswana. I said, these cases, what's happening with these cases? And then I was given stories, that and that and that, right? And then, but I know for a fact that those cases have not been closed. Because I have to ask them, because society is asking me, what's happening about Senzo? And General Sithole arrived long before even Beriru came to social media. Our task as the police and the ministry is not to argue with the public. It's to address what we're supposed to do. It's not to say, is it true what he says? It is not true. No, that's not the job. The job is to follow up. Whether it is mischief, our job is to even arrest that mischief. You are defeating the ends of justice. You are misleading the public. But if there is authentic information in what they say, it must be followed up. You can't keep quiet. That is the job of the police. That is why the job of the police, I say, they work against corruption.